Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Steps to replace your car AC belt. When it comes to maintaining your car's air conditioning system, knowing how to replace the AC belt can save you time and money. Here are the step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Step 1. Ensure safety precautions. Before starting any work on your vehicle, make sure the engine is cool to prevent burns. Wear appropriate safety gear such as gloves and safety glasses. Always disconnect the battery before working near the engine to avoid any accidents. Step 2. Locate the AC belt tensioner. The AC belt tensioner is responsible for keeping the belt tight. It is usually located near the front of the engine. Consult your car's manual to locate the specific position of the tensioner in your vehicle. Step 3. Loosen the tensioner and remove the old belt. Using the appropriate tools, rotate the tensioner to release the tension on the belt. Slide off the old AC belt from the pulleys. Take note of the belt's routing before removing it to ensure the new belt is installed correctly. Step 4. Install the new AC belt. Carefully slide the new AC belt over the pulleys following the correct routing path. Use the tensioner to create tension on the belt by rotating it in the opposite direction as done during removal. Ensure the belt is securely in place on all pulleys. Step 5. Check the belt alignment and tension. Once the new belt is installed, visually inspect it to ensure it is aligned correctly on all pulleys. Check the tension by pressing down on the belt midway between two pulleys. The deflection should be within the manufacturer's specifications. Start the car and run the AC to check for any unusual sounds or vibrations. By following these steps, you can successfully replace your car's AC belt and keep your air conditioning system running smoothly. Professional assistance versus D replacement. When dealing with car AC belt replacement, the decision between seeking professional assistance and opting for a do-it-yourself (DIY) approach can be a crucial one. Understanding when to consider professional help and the benefits of DIY replacement can help you make an informed choice. When to consider professional help. If you lack experience with automotive repairs, or if you are unsure about the complexities of the AC belt replacement process, seeking professional assistance is advisable. Professional mechanics have the expertise, tools, and resources to efficiently diagnose and address any underlying issues related to the AC belt. Additionally, if the problem extends beyond just the belt and requires further inspection or repair, professional assistance ensures a comprehensive solution. Benefits of D replacement. On the other hand, opting for a DIY replacement can be a rewarding endeavor for those who are comfortable working on their vehicles and have the necessary tools and knowledge. D replacement allows you to take control of the repair process, potentially saving money on labor costs. Moreover, DIY projects can be fulfilling and provide a sense of accomplishment once completed. By following detailed guides and tutorials, you can learn new skills and gain a better understanding of your vehicle's components. Consider your level of expertise, available time, and comfort with automotive repairs when deciding between professional assistance and a DIY approach for car AC belt replacement. Each option offers distinct benefits, so choose the one that aligns best with your skills and preferences. Maintaining your car AC belt for longevity. Just like any other component in your vehicle, the air conditioning AC belt requires regular maintenance to ensure it functions optimally. By taking a few simple steps to care for your car's AC belt, you can extend its longevity and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Here are some key practices to keep in mind. Regular inspections. Regular inspections of your car's AC belt are crucial in detecting any signs of wear and tear early on. Inspect the belt for cracks, fraying, or any other visible damage that may indicate it needs replacing. A good rule of thumb is to check the belt every time you open the hood for an oil change or other maintenance tasks. Catching issues early can save you from more costly repairs down the line. Cleaning and lubrication. Keeping the AC belt clean and properly lubricated is essential for its smooth operation. Over time, dirt and grime can accumulate on the belt, causing increased friction and wear. Use a clean cloth dampened with a mild detergent to gently wipe down the belt and remove any debris. Additionally, ensure the belt is properly lubricated according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations to prevent it from drying out and cracking. Avoiding over-tightening. One common mistake that car owners make is over-tightening the AC belt. While it may seem like a tighter belt would ensure better performance, excessive tension can cause premature wear and strain on the belt and other components. Follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommended tension specifications and use a tension gauge to ensure the belt is properly adjusted. Over-tightening can lead to belt slippage, noise, and ultimately, belt failure. By incorporating these practices into your regular vehicle maintenance routine, you can help prolong the life of your car's AC belt and enjoy efficient cooling performance for years to come. Regular inspections, cleaning, proper lubrication, and avoiding over-tightening are small yet impactful steps in ensuring the longevity of this essential component. In wrapping up, we've delved into the essential aspects of car AC belt replacement. From understanding the signs that indicate a worn-out belt to the process of replacing it, we've covered the key points to help you tackle this task confidently. Remember, maintaining a healthy AC system is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience, especially during hot summers. By following the signs, being proactive with inspections, and seeking professional help when needed, you can ensure your car's AC belt is in top condition. Don't let a faulty AC belt disrupt your cool rides. Stay proactive and keep your car running smoothly. Congratulations on completing the replacement of your car's AC belt. We hope you found our guide clear and easy to follow. By now, your vehicle's air conditioning system should be back in optimal condition, providing you with cool and comfortable drives. Remember to perform regular maintenance checks to ensure the continued smooth operation of your AC system. Thank you for choosing our guide, and happy driving! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.